Hello students, we are going to continue Science 2, lesson number 4, Environmental Management. In this video, we are going to study environmental conservation and biodiversity. Biodiversity is the richness of living organisms in nature due to the presence of varieties of organisms, ecosystem and genetic variations within a species. Biodiversity occurs at three different levels. The first level is genetic diversity, second, species diversity, and third one is ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity. Occurrence of diversity among the organisms of same species is genetic diversity. Example, each human being is different from other. Possibility of wiping out of species arises if there is decrease in the diversity within the species whose members involve in sexual reproduction. Species diversity. Innumerable species of organism occur in nature. This is called as species diversity. Species diversity includes various types of plants, animals, and microbes. Ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed through interaction between the plants, animal, their habitat, and changes in the environment. Each ecosystem has its own characteristics, animals, plants, microbes, and abiotic factors. Ecosystems are also of two types, natural and artificial. In the first picture, you will see the example of an ecosystem, that is the forest ecosystem. Second picture shows the desert ecosystem. Secret groves. Forests conserved in the name of God and considered to be secret is called as the secret grove. These are in fact sanctuaries conserved by the society and not by the government forest department. As it has been conserved in the name of God, it has special protection. These clusters of thick forest are present not only in the western Ghats of India but in the entire country. Symbols and their meaning. The first symbol means dispose your waste in dustbin. The second symbol over here means conserve energy. The third symbol means say no to plastic or avoid plastic. The fourth symbol means recycle. The fifth symbol means use solar energy. The last symbol means save water. How can biodiversity be conserved? Protecting the rare species of organisms, establishing national parks and sanctuaries, declaring some regions as bioreserves, project for conservation of special species, conserving all plants and animals, observing the rules, maintaining the record of traditional knowledge. My role in environmental management. Here they have given few roles which as an individual we can perform to save the environment or to conserve the environment. You may just go through this chart. This chart is also given in the textbook. Over here you will see that each and every role is important role that the individual can play to protect the environment. Classification of the threatened species. First one, endangered species. Either the number of this organism is declined or their habitat is shrunken to such an extent that they can be extinct in near future if conservative measures are not implemented. Example, lion-tailed monkey and lesser florican. Second, rarer species. Number of this organism is considerably declined. Organisms of this species being endemic may become extinct very fast. Example, red panda and musk deer. Vulnerable species. Number of this organism is extremely less and continues to decline. Continuous decline in the number is worrisome reason, that is the reason of concern. Example, tiger and lion. Indeterminate species. This organism appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavior habit like shyness, there is no definite and substantial information. Example, giant squirrel, shrew. Always remember, it is the duty of every individual to conserve the environment. Let us remember and let us behave accordingly. Destroying a plant is to destroy everything. Practice afforestation to conserve environment. Forest is wealth. Environmental protection is value education. Provident use of paper is prevention of deforestation. To practice the environmental protection is to development of human society. Pure air, pure water is the key to healthy life. So keep in mind, it is the responsibility of each and every individual to protect the environment and to take care of the environment. 22nd May is observed as the World Biodiversity Day. With this, we have completed the lesson. Thank you, students.